Leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi today met the families affected by the stampede that claimed the lives of 121 people. It has taken 3 days since the Hathras stampede for the Uttar Pradesh police to make arrests. 6 organizers of the satsang have been taken into custody, but the self-styled godman who is at the center of this tragedy, for whom the prayer meet was organized, has not even been questioned, and forget about questioning, but has not even been traced. Where he is remains a big question. Hence, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also said that UP government's negligence led to so many deaths. Listen in.
बहुत दुख की बात है। बहुत परिवारों को नुकसान हुआ है, काफ़ी लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है। तो मैं इसको राजनीतिक प्रिज्म से नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, मगर प्रशासन की कमी तो है जी, और गलतियाँ तो हुई हैं, तो ये पता लगाना चाहिए। और शायद सबसे ज़रूरी बात कि कॉम्पनसेशन सही मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये गरीब परिवार है और मुश्किल का समय है इनके लिए।
Now, for more on this, I am being joined by Tanushka Datta, who has been reporting live outside from the residence where Rahul Gandhi made the visit. Tanushka, now that Rahul Gandhi has visited met the victims, the heat on the UP government has escalated to even further extent. Meanwhile, the politics is continuing, but one question that remains unanswered is that where are the clues that will lead to Bole Baba? Why is UP police taking so many days to track him down?
That's precisely what the question is right now. This Baba was supposedly, allegedly in his ashram in Mainpuri, but the police forces outside his ashram yesterday said that he's not inside his ashram. After this self-proclaimed godman who goes by the name of Bole Baba, he left the satsang here 2 days ago. We know yesterday, after more than 24 hours, 6 arrests have been made of the organizers, the sevadars of this satsang. But the Bole Baba has not been named in the FIR yet. Taking this into account, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi arrived right here in Aligarh as well as in Hathras, right at the house of these victims to meet the families of the deceased. In Aligarh, there was sorry state of affairs, and it was definitely a tragic scene there after Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition, met with these families who were in a very distraught state of mind. Of course, they've lost their loved ones. There were 4 people who have passed away in this village in Aligarh that goes by the name of Pilakhna. And in Pilakhna, there were women and children. A 6-year-old boy has also lost his life in this satsang. And what the people of these victims, the families of these victims, raise these same questions and echo these same questions that, where is this Baba now? If he really has powers, if he cares about us, his devotees, then where is he now? Why has he not come to help us out? Why is it that, they've lost their family members, that no compensation can compensate for this kind of a loss? Even when, like the UP government, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi have spoken about compensation and help, and that they will be provided with justice. What remains is that from these from the minds of these people, from these families, is that nothing can bring back their family members now. The little children also who have passed away, there are mothers who have passed away who have left just little daughters behind. Little girls are now just with their fathers or with no one practically in the family left. So other people are stepping up now in the family to support each other. But what remains the question is that everyone out there, even at Hathras as well, Rahul Gandhi has just left Hathras and gone back after meeting these victims' families in Vibhav Nagar in Hathras. And what we know right now is that these families also say that they used to believe in this Baba, they used to be followers of this Baba, but now they are not very sure about their belief, their faith in this Baba. So we see not just politicization of this tragic accident by Congress leader coming down here, leader of opposition by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath being here. He visited in the Hathras district hospital as well to the victims' families, but also the conundrum of faith and superstition. These people have clinged on to faith and now have been crushed by superstition, but is it really their fault? Is it the authorities, the fact that only permission for 80,000 people was given for the congregation, but 2.5 lakh people appeared at this congregation with no proper security arrangements, no police personnel that can manage this huge crowd, and therefore leading to such huge lapse sites that have caused the lives of 121 people and so many more injured. And it's not just these people who are who've passed away, or the people who are injured who are the victims, but the families that have been left behind without seeing even their loved ones are also the victims at this point.